So solution uh, given equation is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Given equation. So the general form yang coefficient dari ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The hàng này là here v đều 2 b đều k và c đều 3. The the following coefficient has real root. The hàng sao pada ngiyong sen the equation has real root. Then the equation has real root. Then the equation has real root implies the value of discriminant should be greater or equal to 0. Real and distinct is greater to 0. Real and equal to 0. So D greater or equal to 0 implies b square minus 4ac is greater or equal to 0. Okay. Then continue from there. That implies to b đi cái nó đấy k. So k square minus 4 into a này đây chính đều a đều 2 and c đều 3 greater or equal to 0 and implies k square minus 4 into 2 will be 8, 3 into 8 will be 24. 3 into 24 is greater or equal to 0. Okay. Or implies k square greater or equal to 24. K will be equal to greater or equal to root of 24. Square root of 24. The 24 will on top 4 into 2 into 3. Okay. Or implies k is greater or equal to square root of 24 will on top now 2 into 12, 2 into 6, 2 into 3. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. So this one will be the 2 multiply the square root of this 2 will become the 2 become square root of that shape now tamu way. So implies k greater or equal to plus and minus 2. So that 2 become 1 4 square root of 4 is 2. The plus minus 2 root of something that 2 multiply 3 will become as 6. Okay. So I will join there. Okay. Implies k is greater or equal to plus 2 root 6 or plus pada minus. Okay. Or k is kenapa minus pada less or equal to minus 2 root 6. Minus 2 root 6. Okay. So implies k is equal or greater or equal to plus 2 root 6 or k is less or equal to minus 2 root 6. Kenapa baik? Ya plus mungkin. Kemarin k is greater or equal to plus or minus 2 root 6 kemudian. So k is greater or equal to plus 2 root 6 and k is less or equal to minus 2 root 6. Tapi qua phân tích của mình đang gặp formula dan gặp formula của bà ông thọ của này x square minus a square is greater or equal to 0 implies x should be greater or equal to plus a or x should be less or equal to minus 8. Ini tuh kamu dengan formula. Dengan negara kita kau ika cingkuli. Nanti ngan kayaknya ada solve yang saya kau ika cingkuli. Chúng nhìn bây giờ cô gái example number 2 x square plus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. Bây giờ cái này cả solution here given kx square plus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. So here a equal to k, b equal to 6 and c equal to 1. Okay. Since the equation has real root, since the equation has real root, then the equation has real root implies discriminant equal to or discriminant is greater or equal to 0, or the value of discriminant is b square minus 4ac is greater or equal to 0. B, what is b? B here is 6. So 6 square minus 4a, a divided a and multiply c divided 1 is greater or equal to 0. So 6 square equal to 6 square is 36. Then minus 4 multiply k multiply 1 equal to 4k is greater or equal to 0. Implies the next page. We need 36 rational. No 4k would turn out only 4k. The right 36 mode clay minus the bar pay plus the mode the bound alone less than or equal to 36. Come kine na marking day equal less or equal to mode have the right 36 na gamot ada lucky plus nanta une day greater or equal nanta ne pada day less or equal to 36. So 4k is less or equal to 36. This will be equal to k will be equal less or equal to 36 divided by 4. So 4 into how much equal to 36? K is less or equal to 4 into 9. Then now claim down plus or minus 9 tomorrow k đây bị tăng k claim đây k square. So thôi claim đây k square đây với k na đó đang nêu toàn tập k. Then tu mana đây plus minus nomor lain yo k square. Đây đây simply na đó đang nêu rồi yo tập k. Solution này nomor yo tập với value. The k equal to less or equal to 9. So that is the answer. Ta cái này, lấy 7.